Well, we created our server. Now it's time to create our front-end project with React. There are different solutions to create a new React project. A lot of tutorials use CRA or create React app package and it is not bad. But we have a better solution, Vite. Vite is a build tool that works better than CRA. Let's use it and create a new React project using VS Code terminal. First, delete this front-end folder. It was just for showing that we have another project. Now, make sure that you are on the main folder and type npm create vite at latest. If you don't have latest version of Vite, it would ask you to install it. Then you need to type your project name, for example, frontend. Then select React, then select JavaScript, and that's it. Your new React project is ready. Now change your directory by this command cd frontend, then type npm I to install npm package. After that, let's add Tailwind CSS to our project. Open Tailwind website and go to get started. Then on framework guide choose Vite. We have done step 1 already, so let's go to step 2, copy this command and run it in your terminal npm install -d tailwind css post css autoprefixer. After that, copy the next command and run it. npx tailwind css init -p. This command creates two files for you, tailwind config and post css config. Then copy this content and paste it in tailwind config. Then copy these 3 lines, go to index.css and delete everything and paste them. Then delete app.css because we don't need it anymore. Then go to app.jsx and delete everything and create a new component using RAFC. I'm using an extension named ES7 Plus. Let me show you that. This extension allows me to use RAFC to create new components. Now, let's use some Tailwind classes to make sure our codes are fine. For example, bgred of 400 and text Vite. Now, let's run our project using npm run dev to see it. Well, it seems that everything works fine. Now, we have a ready to use React project with Tailwind CSS.